Hey guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to create a league on Fantasy Premier League. Now to create a new league here on FPL, first of course make sure you have signed up, you're logged in, and then if you come right here, this is for squad selection, okay? And if you want to create your own league, you just come here to leagues and cups and then click on create a league, okay? And you can create a league for either a league and cup right here for classic scoring, or if you want head-to-head scoring, you can create a head-to-head league. Whichever one you like, enter your league name. I'll go ahead and name this, legendary 2025, 29. Let's do 29. Game starts, game week 1. Then click on create. So these are the scoring stats. And then you can proceed to go ahead and create. So these are general leagues. We have these teams right here, and we have broadcaster leagues as well. And then, of course, you can go ahead and create cups as well if you would like. Really that easy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.